Hey everybody, I wanted to share how to create a fan page really quick and what to do with your fan page and how you could really smash it with your fan page. So let me show you. This is Anasis, guys, and I'm just wanting to show you actually how to create this. Now you would go to pages, and then you're going to go to create a page, and then you're going to see these two options. What you want to do is you want to create, of course, a community of people to follow you. So you want to make it under public figure. So you're going to go get started here. You're going to name your page your first and last name, and you're going to put entrepreneur or marketing, expert, or something to that effect. But you don't want to put network marketing. You don't want to put nothing like that. Like, if you're a woman, you want to put lady boss, marketer, or whatever, something that kind of defines what you're doing. I would say entrepreneur, and then hit continue. And then it's going to take you to the next step as far as, going to build your page. You want to hit that. It'll show you. It'll take only a couple minutes actually to do. And here you could see my fan page, okay? So what I did, I put Anna Life Changer Sis, at Sis Anna because someone else had a fan page, I guess, with my name or whatever, or their name. So I couldn't really do it under my name, where it says Anasis, or for some reason it just wouldn't let me do it. But regardless, I did it, and here it is. I did a profile picture. You can see it's very clear, HD quality. I did a HD quality banner, very simple, nothing fancy. And then here you could see my page. I do talk about a lot of inspirational, motivational things. I focus on business as far as how my business is doing. I do show results. It's worked very well for me. And a lot of people have found me through here. But, promoting your page and doing all these things, Facebook gives you so much stuff to do with your fan page, which is totally the opposite of your regular Facebook profile. Okay? They give you the option to boost your posts if you wanted to get some traffic to your page. You can invite friends. Focus on this and inviting friends to like your page so you can build it up. You want to build it up to 200 or more people before you start promoting any business opportunity. Otherwise, you're not going to get very many people looking at it, okay? You can also promote your website. If you guys want to put your website, your domain on here, you want to do that and promote it. I would run it probably for 7 days and then see how it does the first couple days. If you don't see any traction of people liking your page, then cancel it, so that way you're not paying out, for no one to look at your page. If you can focus on it and invite your friends and do it that way and have people like your page, so that way it's free, then that's better. But if you of course you've done that already, and maybe your friends are not supportive, you can do promote website, okay, and people could like your website and your business. Now, I actually spent a couple years on my pages, but this page I think is only about a year old, and I got a good traction when I've done some ads with Facebook to get people to like my page. But the ads, of course, can be a little costly if you guys are looking to do Facebook ads, or they can start off very inexpensive, but the more you pay, the more traffic you can get to your pages, okay? But like I said, you want to focus first on building, okay? Building your fan base, all right? That's the main focus. So, the good thing about Facebook, you don't have to focus too much on it. You can actually schedule posts, and I'll show you how to schedule a post. Maybe you guys want to schedule a couple posts for tomorrow or the next day, and you want to schedule them out. You can do that, and I'll show you how in just a second. Okay, so here you would upload a picture, right? And then you can write something out, and then you would go here to the drop down and hit schedule, okay? And what I want to do, of course, that I don't want to spend too much time on my fan page, I could schedule it for tomorrow's date, which would be the 17th, and say I want to schedule it like at 6 in the morning, okay? All right, 6 a.m. All right, and then hit schedule, and then it would be scheduled, okay? So it would go out at that time that I put it, and that's it. That's all, guys. It's that simple, okay? And then as far as boosting your posts, a lot of you want to know that as well. You can boost your posts as well. Just don't have too much text, because what happens here is Facebook doesn't like a lot of text when you're boosting your posts for some reason. They only want you to put, like, I think 20% of text on your posts. So then you can boost it for $5 if you guys want, if you guys have money for that. Some of you don't, so you want to focus on free advertising for now and just building your fan base, then do that. All right. And what you can do too is, if you want to share this on your wall, you guys can share your fan page and your post from your fan page to your wall. And Facebook gives you the opportunity to do that as well, just to bring some more traffic, or free traffic, should I say, to your page. All right. You can also ask some of your friends. Say, you know what, I got this new page up. If you guys want to help me out, can you guys, maybe advertise my page? Can I put on your wall, anything, or share some of my posts from my fan page to your wall, so that way, I can get more eyes on my fan page, if they're willing to do that. If they're not, then you don't have to do that. I mean, they don't have to necessarily put it on their wall, right? But it's up to people. But this, when you share it on your wall, sometimes people will share it from your wall, so then it gives you more traffic back to your fan page. So it's a good thing to share it on your wall, share your posts and stuff. And like I said, I keep it very professional. I talk about my life, about what I'm going through and experiencing in my business. As you can see, you guys can just look at my fan page and get some ideas. I mean, just don't copy it. I mean, exactly how it is. Make it your own. All right. But I do a lot of videos, motivational videos and stuff like that. And I do get a lot of people asking me questions from my fan page to join my business, or I'll get them to friend me. I'm like, how did you find me? Oh, your fan page. So it's a great way to advertise your business and keep your name out there. And the reason why I tell you to brand yourself is because people want to join somebody that they can relate to. So I talk about my family. I talk about things I've done, places I've gone, travel. And I share that with my audience so that they can go ahead and, follow me and join me in business. And it's worked like a charm, guys. I've used my fan page for the last year. I've told you guys that. I used to have other fan pages. I closed those out, and I actually created a new one because I wanted to start over. So it's a great way to advertise and get your business out there. As you can see, it's very simple to set it up. Just takes you a couple minutes of your time to set it up. Just make sure you guys, like I said, are adding a good profile picture. Now, if you guys want to, if you guys want to have someone do a banner for you, right? Say you guys are like, hey, Anna, I don't know how to do this, okay? You guys don't know how to create, a nice cover photo for your fan page. You guys can go to Fiverr.com. And Fiverr, you can look for graphic design right here. And here it'll tell you, what people do. All right. So if you guys want to do, like web and mobile design, presentation design, you can always put, let's see, Facebook covers, cover photos, or design. And then you're going to see all this stuff of people that do this, okay? And you want to go to relevance, best-selling, because you want to go to people that are experienced, okay? This guy actually starts at $100. That's too much. Look at this is simple. $5. So I would click on this, right? And this person obviously does covers. Look how great they look, okay? You can get premium, standard, basic, the lemon pecan banner, source and file. I mean, you could pay a little more to get a nicer one, but it's up to you, all right? And then here's this person is going to tell you, what they deliver: text, description, pictures, social, You're going to check that out and probably send them a picture, and then they can create a nice banner for you. They're probably going to want to know, of course, what you want to name the banner, or any type of logo that you guys use or anything like that. So, it's up to you guys who you want to choose as your designer. But you could pay $5 to have someone do it. That's very inexpensive, to have a cover done. And they can probably set a nice one for you. You see it right there? That's a nice one for $5. All right. So you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to do all that. I mean, you can have people do this for you, and it's very cheap and inexpensive. Okay. But it is going to help your page, of course, look more clean, more professional, and that's what I'm trying to help you with, is brand your name, brand yourself, so that you can get the word out about who you are in marketing, why people should join you in business. We're all professionals here. We all want to be great. So I hope that this training helped you guys out. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.